Hi, my name's Naomi. I'm going to give you some tips on how to use Gorilla Glue. So the glue that I'm working with today is the wood glue. This glue in particular is water resistant, so you can use it outdoors and indoors. You would clamp it for 20 to 30 minutes and it has a curable time of 24 hours and it dries clear. So today I'm going to be demonstrating how we actually use the glue. Make sure that the surface is dry and you would just apply it like so. So as you can see here, pasting it on like so. So because this glue is really strong, just make sure that there is an adult supervising at all times. So it is FDA approved and safe to use in the kitchen for things like your breadboard. All right, there we go. So once you've completed it, you let it dry for about 30 minutes. So try using it in your next craft project and give it a go.